How's it going? Hope everyone's night's going well. I hope you can hear me this time. Pokemon Hits! How's it going? Welcome back! I hope your night's going well. Sorry about that. It crashed on me. Oh. Yeah, it was the Wi-Fi. It totally went out. I'm sorry about that. It totally was the Wi-Fi. Pokemon Hits. 808, card collector. How's it going? Welcome in. I think I'm missing somebody. Oh, I am. I'm sorry. 1 second. Card collect. Cool. Cool. I think I'm missing somebody's names. Yeah, thanks. Of course, Pokemon Hits. Anytime. But yeah, check it out. To anyone who's new here, I'm opening up this Boltund box. I opened it, but didn't open the packs yet, so. You know. Gotta go for it still. Cool. Yeah, same. Cryptic Spaz, welcome in. How's it going? I hope your night's going well, or day, depending on where you're at. Hold on 1 second, I'm just gonna add your name real quick. I hope the Wi-Fi doesn't go back out, but you never know. Pretty cool, pretty cool. But I'm opening up these 4-pack. Oh, hello, Soulbeam. Welcome in. Okay, I'm going to add your name to the list. Solar Beam, how's it going? I hope your night's going well. Or day, whichever one it is. Oh, sweet! Congrats, Cryptic Spaz. That sounds awesome. I'm doing well, Cryptic Spaz. Thanks. But yeah, I'm doing well. I pulled this card tonight from my booster box, so that's pretty cool. The Sylveon. Oh, cool. That sounds cool. Solar Beam. Welcome in, little Tony. How's it going? Thanks, Solar Beam. Yeah, it's a pretty crazy card. I know. I really think it's a neat card. Jacob Shops, how's it going? Welcome in. I'm gonna add everyone's name to the list. Give me a second. Welcome in. How's it going? Oh, wow. 8 people? Oh, wow. Okay. Welcome in, Cully. Cully. I don't know. I think you left. Okay, who am I missing? Oh, I'm missing somebody. Oops. 1 second. Just gonna add your name. I'm adding everyone's name to my thank you list. Give me a second. I'm pretty sure I'm missing somebody. Oh no. Oh, thank God. Okay. That's nice. That's nice poke, Oh my gosh. Yeah, no, I hear you, Pokemon Hits. Have fun with that. Sounds like fun. But yeah, to anyone who missed it, I still have 4 packs left in my booster box to go. But I pulled this card. That's pretty cool. Pretty neat. I was the one that chose... Oh, shoot. I was the one that chose this pack right here. Pretty cool. The Sylveon. The VMAX, the little lady on the right corner. Pretty cool. Then the Wormadam, not that cool. This really cool Hollow Empoleon from a booster box. My mom chose that one. Then I got this Octillery. Pretty nice. From Studio. I don't know if he's in here or not, but either way, it's pretty cool. But, yeah, like I said. Sorry for it crashing. It crashed and I couldn't stop it. Sorry about that. But, yeah. Let's get into these packs. We got a Wooloo. Pretty cool. Plus, if you missed it, I got this really cool Boltund V card. Pretty nice. And then there's 4 packs left for the night, so that'll be fun. We got the Evolving Skies. I think that should be last. Oh, no worries, little Tony. I understand. Have a great night. We got Brilliant Stars. Brilliant Stars again, and then the Fusion Strike. Pretty cool. What the heck? Oh, what the? That's funky. What's going on with this one? Yeah, no worries, little Tony. I'm not too sure how I should open this. I'll Fusion first. I'm not too sure how I'm going to do this. Let's just see. I'm trying to get some everyone else in here, maybe. But yeah, like I said, I'm going to go Fusion first, I think. You know, Fusion, then Brilliant Stars, then Evolving Skies in the last pack. I'm going to go for that. Let's go. Fusion first! Shall I pull anything good? We'll soon see. Oh, wow. Did the Wi-Fi go out again? Oh no, please no. Okay, I don't think it did. I think we're good. I think I got it. I hope not. Okay. Let's get into this pack. Moving this pack out of the way. Oh. We're good. I'm good. Okay, cool. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot to tell you. It's a Mew pack. From Fusion. Wait, oh, flip. Freaking 6. Fusion Strike's cool. Uh-oh. Oh no. What's going on? Oh, shoot. Come on, you bugger. Hey, Mom. Did it go out? Oh, dear. What the hell? I can't click it. Whatever. If it's out, whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, what is the front? Did it go out again? Darkness. Got it. Dancer. Pangora. Oh. Whoops. Grab a lock. Oh, freaking. Got it! Vulpix. Miltank. Toxel. Staryu. Mawile. Reverse. Oh my gosh! What is this? What is this? Oh my gosh, is this a rainbow card? Oh my gosh. And? Whoa, I got a rainbow! Woo! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, wow. Wow. That's so cool! Wow. Nice. Wow. That's a pretty good hit. That's a nice hit right there. Oh my gosh. It's a rainbow. Mom, it's a rainbow, look! I don't know who he is, but he's pretty cool. Nice. I'm gonna put it in a sleeve. Oh. Wow. Insane. How insane is that, Mom? Boltund giving me the fire. Wow. Wow, that's nice. Okay, I'm gonna put this in a sleeve. Top load, I mean. Wow, nice. That's not bad. What's this? Oh, crud nuggets. What am I doing here? Dude, just give me a second, Mom. I'm just trying to find the best card slave here. Oh, ew. Yuck. I'm just trying to find a card. Find a sticky note. That'll help me, make it look nice or whatever. That's pretty cool. Nice hit. I like it a lot. I don't know who this is, but it's still pretty cool. Nice. Oh, she is. I think there's nothing else in this. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, Mom! Nice hit so far, nice hit. I like it. I don't know who this is, but it's still pretty cool. I need to put those over here. Pretty neat! Let's go. I'm excited. We shall soon see if I get more crazy cards. We got this Whimsicott, we got the Arceus, and then the Umbreon at the back. Let's see what I get. Whimsicott next! You know what happened last time? Let's soon see. We'll soon see if I get anything good. Ooh, fancy. Thank you for this awesome box, Mom. I appreciate it. I'm gonna put this one up here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, push on me. Okay. So we got the Whimsicott. Pretty nice. Let's see if I get anything good. Dark Energy. Don't know. Goodbye. Don't know. Carablast. Staryu. Burmy. Riolu. Magmar. Reverse. And no hit. Luxray, my bad. Cool, pretty cool. Like it. Put that there. Not too bad. Okay. Put this there. Too bad, not too bad. It's not too bad there. Yep, that's right. Okay, cool. Okay. Pretty cool card. I like it a lot. Never seen this card before, but pretty neat. Well, what do you think? Brilliant Stars last or Evolving Skies last? What are you thinking? I'm thinking Evolving Skies last. Maybe Brilliant Stars last. I'm gonna go into Brilliant Stars again. Let's go. What do you think, Mom? Or do you want me to choose? I don't care. Either way. Either way works. Okay, just gonna put this in there. Put that one there. Okay, I'll just grab this one. Let's go. Yeah, I'm gonna do Evolving Skies last. Let's go, Mom. I'm excited. Oh, nice. Let's soon see. Oh, what the? Whoa! Huh? That's different. That's never happened before. I don't know what you said, Mom, but it didn't notify me if you said anything. Arceus pack artwork, pretty nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that here? For the front. I mean, let's see if it hits something. Lightning energy. Friends and Galler. Purple Pass. Gibble. Blizzle. Halucha. Electabuzz. Bidoof. Vaporeon! Vaporeon hit! Is there anything else? And? Oh, I got something! Vaporeon Trainer Gallery and a fish! I got a fish! That's cool! I wanted this one! That's nice! I like it. It's really nice. That's so cool. Oh, that's not clean. Okay. Yeah, let's just try and do this. Something like... okay, let's find a good one, 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 find a good one. See, that works. Well, that's the one I told you I really wanted. The Vaporeon. Pretty nice. It's another hit. Plus this card. This V card. I've never seen this card before, honestly, but it's kind of cool. Pretty neat, nice. I like it. Not too bad, not too bad. Can I get last pack magic? That is, we'll soon see. I will soon see if I can get last pack magic. Let's see. Pretty excited. Okay. Let's just put the Vaporeon on top. Bag them. Here we go. Nice. Nice. Okay. Last pack of the night. Evolving Skies. Can I pull anything crazy? We'll soon see. Ooh, nice. What the heck? What's going on with the pack art? It's so weird. Why are they so easy to open? Some of them are so easy to open. We got the Umbreon action right here. Pretty nice, Mom. Pretty nice. Let's see if I get another hit. 1, 2, 4 to front. Let us see. We got Psychic Energy. Scrafty. Ursa Ring, that's nice. Crystal Cave. Cutie Fly. Pikachu. Applin. Lillipup. Emolga. Reverse and Seismitoad. No big deal. Pretty good. Pretty good hits. Pretty nice. Just gonna give me a second. Just trying to figure out what I got in this awesome box. Okay, let's see. So on from, from the awesome booster box you got me. I got the Octillery, the Empoleon, Wormadam, and then the Sylveon VMAX. That's nice. Then from the awesome other box you got me, I got this rainbow card. Cindy, nice. Seismitoad again. Vaporeon. This, I don't know. This fish, nice. Okay, I'm gonna put that one down. That one here, this one here. Let's see, put this one here. But yeah, thanks everyone for checking my live. See y'all next time. Bye. Have a great night, everyone. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh, I can't end it. I can't end it. Oh, crap. Come on! Are you serious? Bloody heck. End! Oh, dear me.